When we're out with customers and installers, one of the things we learned in our new rack series was to make it consistent. So what you'll find in the new Chief Praxis series is the doors fit front and back and they're reversible. All the cutouts are the same on all the tops and sides so that all the accessories work with every one of the solutions. But we had heard that if people ordered solutions and accessories and didn't use them, they'd end up with extra parts and pieces. In this way you can always use them on a different installation. In addition, we saw that a lot of dealers were putting their brand in taking up a one-use space to do that. We provided a branding panel so that you can put your brand on the rack but not have to take up any space in the rack. We've also included a bottom cover. When you're out with dealers and installers, one thing you'll learn is they want to put stuff in the bottom of the rack. So it's standard, we have a location to set stuff at the bottom. And finally, we heard that in the back of the rack, people were always ordering rear rack rail. Not necessarily to mount components, but even just to run wiring. So we've included rear rack rail as standard. Along with all these features for the standard racks themselves, we've also launched a number of new accessories to go with them. These accessories include fans and blank panels, and as you might expect, a monitor mount. But in addition, at this year's InfoComm show, we're announcing a partnership with SergeX. SergeX, as many of you may know, is a premier technology in surge elimination. And their technology can now come included with your Chief Praxis series racks. And not only is it their standard solutions, but we've created two specific solutions for our products. One mounts in the bottom cover I mentioned earlier, so you can tuck it away in the bottom, hook in a power strip and protect the whole solution and whole rack. Another one is a back panel that goes on the back of the rack and is very thin, sits on a hinge so that you can hinge it open to access components and not take up any space in the rack. We're excited about this new relationship and all of our new accessories in our rack line. The Chief Praxis series also includes innovative packaging. The first thing we saw when we met with dealers was when they got a rack solution in, they laid it down on its back to fill it up with components. And in that case, what happens is you can scuff up the rack and it makes it difficult to pick it back up. The packaging that comes in our new Chief Praxis series is all built so that it protects the back of the rack when you lay it down and enables you to pick it back up more easily when you're done filling it with components. Two of the great solutions that we're showing in our rack solutions this year's InfoComm is our new furniture series, which is a metal subframe rack that comes in three colors, mahogany, maple, and black, and incorporates a number of the same features that our standard rack line includes, specifically the consistency. The doors can be reversed from left to right at the job site, so you don't have to order in any specific configuration. All the cutouts are standard, and it comes with large casters so it's easy to move around, or feet for permanent installations. To support all of these new great rack solutions, Chief is also introducing at this show the Rack Builder. For those of you that use Mount Builder, it provides a great tool to not have to learn all of our products, but just tell us the problems you're having and the solution and issue you're trying to solve. And then we take you through the individual available racks and accessories to build that solution. And when you're all done, you get a nice PDF that includes all of the different products and components you need to solve that problem.